afternoon. I'm Dr. Pradeep Chaudhary, Professor and Head of Department, Aurobindo Medical College. We organized the AO Recon and AO Trauma course in Aurobindo Hospital. It's a cadaveric course on periprosthetic fractures.
This is the unique course for AO Recon, where all the orthopedic surgeons are there. They are just enhancing their overall competencies and the surgical skills.
And this course will provide knowledge and skills to surgeons with the help of the cadaveric lab facilities over here, which are excellent.
I have got great feedback about this course, not only about the academic content, because we've got two great course chairs, Sanjeev Madia, Dhawal Desai, and the international and national faculty, which have combined their inputs to make this one of the best courses that many of them have attended.
I think one of the best things about this course has been the access to the cadaver lab here in the facility where we're training. It's the largest cadaver facility in central India, and it's just a fully equipped lab situation with operative tables and full AV equipment available, and just very well-stocked instrumentation. And so I think having a lab experience connected to facilities where we can do our discussions and lectures has been very nice.
The best part of these AO courses that we are conducting these courses since last 7 decades, and we are engaging all the young students of orthopedics. Those are really keen to make their career in orthopedics.
Which is new concept introduced by AO Trauma and AO Recon education, and actually it's a symbiosis of the two important branches. All the fracture related issues have combined with the arthroplasty related issues, and that's why this course has attracted so much attention.
That is the first and I think single lab in the central India, cadaveric lab. Cadavers are really fresh, and all the facilities are world class.
I'm ever so grateful for the management led by Professor Pradeep Chaudhary and the Aurobindo Institute for allowing us to conduct this first ever course, which will be useful to a generation of young surgeons dealing with the problem of periprosthetic fracture, whose incidence is going to increase in huge numbers in the coming years, and we hope that this will benefit a large population of our country.
It's been a great experience over the last 2 days, and we hope to do many more in India and in Asia Pacific over the next few years.
And there is a skill lab, there is a cadaveric workshops to have a more practical things, to understand the orthopedic business, to enhance their overall surgical skills for the best patient care.
So in the Sri Aurobindo Institute of Medical Sciences, where the course is being held in this 3rd week of January,
We're going to conduct many more courses, cadaveric courses here, and we are also going to start a cadaveric fellowship in Aurobindo Hospital, so the upcoming orthopedic surgeon can join and learn. We will have many more courses on cadaveric hands-on with various companies on orthopedic problems, and so they can join us and they can learn a lot. Thank you.